Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fire-Boltt smartwatch with your phone. First, fully charge your Fire-Boltt watch to 100% before you start pairing. Next, download the official Fire-Boltt companion application from your phone's App Store, either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Make certain your phone's operating system is completely up to date for the best compatibility and a smooth connection. Now, let's enable Bluetooth and pair your devices. Go into your smartphone settings menu and activate Bluetooth. Then, open the Fire-Boltt companion application you just downloaded. Inside the app, look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Device and tap it. Your phone will begin scanning for nearby smartwatches. Select your specific Fire-Boltt smartwatch from the list of available devices that appears. Then confirm the pairing request on both your phone and watch. Once paired, you need to configure the app for full functionality. Grant all necessary permissions the companion application requests, such as access to notifications or location services. Complete your personal profile within the app to ensure accurate health tracking, like step counts and heart rate data. Allow the watch and phone to synchronize data for the first time. This might take a few moments. Finally, explore the app settings to customize notifications, set alarms, and change your watch faces. If you encounter any issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. Ensure both devices are within a range of about 10 meters for a stable, consistent connection. If you experience connectivity problems, simply restart both your phone and your Fire-Boltt smartwatch. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, verify that the companion app is running in the background and not being closed by your phone's battery optimization settings. For persistent issues, try unpairing the devices completely and then carefully repairing them by following these steps again from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.